This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nolan Chestnut. Turnkey and fully furnished, luxury living in Grasslands Exclusive Laurel Glen. Experience maintenance-free luxury in the prestigious Grasslands Golf and Country Club with this stunning Wyndham 2-story former model, the largest floor plan available and showing like new. Offering 2,997 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath residence seamlessly blends elegance, comfort, and high-end finishes throughout. Soaring 26-foot ceilings create a dramatic first impression, enhancing the open-concept great room and chef's kitchen, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen features gleaming quartz countertops, tile backsplash, premium stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry, delivering both style and functionality. The spacious downstairs primary suite serves as a true retreat, complete with a spa-inspired bathroom featuring dual vanities, an oversized walk-in shower, a large soaking jacuzzi tub, and a customized walk-in closet with built-ins. Also on the main level is a dedicated luxury office enclosed by 9-foot French doors. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, a bonus loft TV room, and a versatile bonus room ideal for a second office or additional storage. Elegant wood flooring flows through the den and up the staircase, accented by wrought iron spindles for a refined touch. Plantation shutters were added upstairs in 2025. With no rear neighbors and refreshed landscaping in 2025, the covered lanai offers serene nature views, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Located within Lakeland's only gated private golf and country club community, this home provides an exceptional lifestyle with access to premier amenities. Don't miss the opportunity to truly love where you live. Schedule your private tour today. Furnishings and decor available as part of purchase price of home or can be via separate transaction. Furnishings also include an almost new bonus garage refrigerator. Nearly new, road legal 4-passenger easy-go golf cart available upon request. For more information, review the details below.